Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How to connect custom domain to Base44. So there's a step-by-step guide, and make sure you are logged in. And after we will move in the app section, which is top left. And I want to just tab on this crypto wallet. So as you can see, there's an option of dashboard. So we will just move in dashboard. And right now, if you just a little bit scroll down, there's an option of domains. So just tab it. And this is the section of custom domain. So it will says that custom domains are available on our builder plan and above upload to connect your domain to this app. So it will says that you will just have to buy a subscription from it. So we will just check the plans of it. So the starter is for $16 and for the builder is $40 per month and pro is $80 per month and elite subscription is $160 per month. And as you can see, you will just have to read out all subscriptions are benefits with your Base44. So once you will just have to subscribe the plan and you will be able to right now connect a custom domain option right over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.